Hey friends, if you wish to download and install the Panda free antivirus on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So you can search for Panda free antivirus on any website and then hit enter. And then you can go to this option here which says try Panda antivirus for free and then let it load. Okay. And then you can click on the free download option and it will need a while to start downloading. You'll notice an exe file here. Click on open and it will open the file, and then it opens, and then click on next, accept and install. I agree, next, and it will install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.